What's going on out there? So I've got a bit of an unusual problem. I have got a 2002 Dodge Grand Caravan Sport 3.3 liter. One day I got home. I was very low on fuel. The light had came on, the fuel light. I parked and it died. So I assumed that I had run out of gas. The following day, I put about 5 gallons in the tank, went to start it, and nothing. It would crank but not turn over. So I've done everything from putting in a brand new fuel filter, fuel pump, brand new battery. I checked for spark. I have spark. I took off the coil pack, checked all the wires, took off the Velcro covers, made sure nothing was corroded or melted together. Checked all the fuses and relays. And I do have a code that comes up, which is 1684, that has to do with disconnecting a battery. But other than that, I've done everything I could pretty much think of, and I still can't get this thing to start. So I'm going to show you what it sounds like. So maybe somebody out there can tell me what the hell to do. Alright, I'm putting in the key. Here we go. And that's all I get. So as you can hear, it sounds like it's about to start, but it doesn't. Please, somebody out there, man, hit me back and let me know what I can possibly do to get this thing started. All right, man, appreciate it. Locals up.